So this video is on writing numbers in standard form when you're given scientific notation. So you can see I have this first number here. The number is 3.7 times 10 to the 8th. So what that essentially means is that I have to take my value of 3.7 and multiply it by 10 to the 8th power, which is the same as 10 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I wanted to do this, I would say, okay, 3.7 times 10 gives me 37, times 10 again would give me 370, times 10 again, 3,700, times 10 again gives me 37,000, times 10, oh mama, I'm running out of space, 370,000, times 10 again, 3,700,000, times 10 again, 37 million, times 10 again, 370 million. So I can do this and show all my work and show you from there. The way that it takes so much space here is why we like to write numbers in scientific notation, but I do want you to have an understanding of what that number really looks like. And in this case, it's 370 million. So another way in which you can write the number, you can do all this to help you. You can also look at 3.7 and say, okay, I need to move my decimal point. I need to move my number 8 place values. So right now I have 3.7, and then the next time I would have 37, and then I would move it again, 2 place values, 3 place values, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 place values. This would be where my new decimal point is. And I would have to fill in zeros for all those place values as placeholders. And then I would write these commas to help me, and I can see that I get the same answer of 370 million, whether I multiply it by 10 8 times individually, or go directly from the number of place values. Those are not number of zeros, they are number of place values, to my number right here. Let me give you one more example, okay? Another example would be if I had 4.25 times 10 to the 6th. Remember, in your calculator, that might look like 4.25 E6. Same thing. This is to the exponent power of 10. Well, exponent is 6, the power, the base is 10. So 4.25 times 10 to the 6th, I'm going to rewrite my number out. 4.25 is what I have originally, and then count my place values here. 1, 2. So that's already a number in a place value. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where my new decimal point would go. Any numbers I don't have in my place values, I need placeholders. And now this is the number 4,250,000.